company performing again like previous year? So to identify such sort of findings, we should conduct action research. Then in action research, then we can go for applied research. From the name, it is clear that based on conception or pure research, it could be termed also as pure research. Action research is mainly problem-oriented. It helps in finding result and solution in real-life problem. Applied research provides evidence for usefulness of the society and help testing empirical contents of theory. And it utilizes help developing technical techniques that can be used for basic research. It helps testing validity of a theory and understand and under some condition. So it provides data that can lead to an accelerate of a process or a process generalization. Then we can term all these features while we find in a particular types of research, then it is applied research. Collaborative research. Collaborative research has been conducted for a broader impact. It is mainly conducted with multidisciplinary experts. Multiple sectors would be involved in this sort of research. And its scope is diversified and partnering between natural science, social science, and even sometimes with humanitarian science. And it also recognizes as respect each other and mapping out the responsibility of each faculty, each partner. Then this sort of research could be conducted as a collaborative research. While I was discussing about the biomedical physics, these sort of particular medical equipment invention companies or vaccination invention companies, these are actually multidisciplinary research. How to control COVID, this particular research required several disciplines. For example, it requires virologists, it requires public health specialists, it requires law and order control the law enforcers, it's required the government administrative action. So this is a process of multidisciplinary control. Therefore, it could be a collaborative research. Comparative research, it's explore the effect, explore the cause, explore the consequences of a particular event. As a correlational study, relationship can be identified, and causal comparative study, but causal cannot be fully established. The comparative study is sometimes used as an alternative of the original study. Correlational research seeks identify association among different variables. Then correlational study. Correlational research is also known as associational research. It identifies relationship among two or more variables are studied without any attempt to influence one other, and investigated the possibilities of relationship between two variables. There is no manipulation situation or no correctional situation. This is correlational study, just to identify correlations between two or more variables. Descriptive research is a very simple sort of research for to identify specific nature of any particular group or any particular product or metals. It involves mutual efforts. It helps to identify various features of a problem, restrict the problems that are described and not arguable, and problem which valid standard could be developed, and underlying factors that leads experimental research, it consumes lot of times. For descriptive research, it is mainly used to describe a particular phenomenon or nature of the people. So in such case, we should observe it from a long period of time, and after a long observation, scientists can describe the cause and effects or the nature of a particular ethnic people, or response of buyers to a particular products. Then therefore it is expensive as well as time consuming. Diagnostic study, again, it is quite similar to the descriptive study. In diagnostic study, many physicians conducted several tests to identify whether a particular disease or suspected disease is present in the patient health. It is can be related to casual research, and it is directed by hypothesis. For example, a physician presume that this, as the symptom is this, therefore the cause could be this particular bacteria or virus. Then he tests it, and while he get presence of that particular virus or bacteria, then physician came to, therefore it is based on hypothesis and conducted to identify, to describe causes of a particular outcome or symptom. Educational research, again, educational research is known as research for knowledge, searching new knowledge based on available data or available knowledge in the market. It is a symmetric effort to gain new knowledge, and it is a sound of a philosophical basis, interdisciplinary action. For example, while a cross-sectional, cross-disciplinary research is conducted to invent something new, for example, once science was among limited faculties, but nowadays science was purely for physics, chemistry, biology. Now people are studying on physics, biomedical physics, chemistry, then we can pharmacy, then we can find genetic sciences, then we can find many sub-branches of sciences. Similarly, once only management, marketing, and accounting, these were the principal branches of business studies. But nowadays, business is marketing, then principles of marketing, marketing management, advanced marketing, sales management, branding, positioning. Lots of faculties issues are coming up. So all these new knowledge has been invented through educational research and based on applied experience of the researchers. Ethnographic research. Subjects are research and search in a natural setting rather than laboratory. In ethnographic research, we mainly conducted is to identify human behavior to a particular object or to a particular phenomenon or to a particular product. Then it cannot be conducted in laboratory. It should be in natural environment, and in the natural environment, everybody will do their natural actions, and the scientist or researcher will observe them, study them, even consult with them to know their perception, to know their decision about some object. Then it is ethnographical research. Evaluation study, it is mainly conducted through collection data based on some particular findings. Form of applied research, study, develop project, and give access to social or economic programs, studies the quality and also